Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to update your File Explorer in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. It's going to be very easy and simple video. So first in your desktop, you can open your settings. I'm gonna search it, settings, and open it. And then in the setting page, you can go to your system in the left side menu here. And then in the system, you can scroll down until you find Advanced. Click on it. And then in the Advanced, you will find File Explorer. You can click on it. And if you scroll down, you will find Update here. If there is an update, there will be like this. You can just click Update now to update your File Explorer. And then it will be installing. So you can wait until it's done. After that, you can just click Get and it's installed. So it's done. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.